Yep, there you go. Try it.
Yes, yes, now it's working. Okay.
There we go. I think it's recorded now. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you and it is recording.
Okay, perfect, perfect, wonderful. All right. So basically what I wanted to do today is I just wanted to run through our connection, our integration with Show Me the Parts. So basically we have an integration with Show Me the Parts that allows you to do e-commerce on your website. It's a turnkey solution that can be used as a foundation, or you can use it use it as a foundation, and then we can build on top of it to make it more complex, to make it look different, and kind of all of that stuff. So what I'm going to show you today is our demo, and this demo, including the connection to Show Me the Parts, not their fees, but the connection to Show Me the Parts, the year, make, model lookup, the look and feel, and kind of all of that stuff that goes along with it, the creation of the website, we sell as a package deal and is $3,000.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I recall correctly from you, oh, go ahead.
One question. This $3,000 payment is a one-time payment, and we do the hosting for the site, or are there other monthly fees or something?
It is the $3,000 is a one-time payment, and then we have some contractual obligations with Show Me the Parts, where you would have to host on our servers, and that's $169 a month.
Okay, okay. Well, as I understood from in some questions that I asked before, it seems that the hosting is negotiable. So I mean, if we want to host in our servers, I think that's something that's possible, right?
Yeah, as long as Show Me the Parts signs off on that, we're okay with it, because it's not our requirement, it's Show Me the Parts' requirement.
Okay, okay.
Now they have some different, so yes, there's some areas that you can negotiate with them from their standard contracts. Okay. And that would be one of them. So we're okay with you. We're okay with you hosting it on your servers, but the standard setup is that it's hosted on our servers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, do you use? If I recall, do you guys already have a website that you're using?
Yes. No, we have a website. But this is an independent business. It's not related to our project, our parts project. We have a tire selling website. We are a company.
Okay.
We wholesale. Our main company is a wholesale of tires, and we have been exploring the how do you say the opposite of wholesale? The minor sales, let's say, or retailing. We opened this website and some tire shops for retailing, and we have a little experience with the Magento 2 and Magento 1 sites. But we
okay, perfect.
Yes, but we want to make a new website, a new project, independent.
Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. All right. So I'm going to share my screen here, and I'll walk you through kind of the front end and the back end of the site. It's built on Magento 2. This I forget what version of Magento 2 this one's on, but when we build the sites from scratch, we build them on the latest version, which would be Magento 2.3.4, I believe.
Okay.
So it would be built on the latest version of Magento 2, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. But this is kind of, once again, everything I'm going to show you is what's included in the $3,000 package that we offer. And it can be expanded upon, but that does increase the investment cost. Okay. So the $3,000 kind of Show Me the Parts turnkey solution includes the look and feel that we're seeing on this site here. Obviously, you would update the slider images to the sliders that you wanted. Your logo would go here, and you change the coloring to meet your color scheme, obviously. But this look and feel would be included. You have the header, the footer down here, and then the year, make, model search here on the left, a cross-reference search here on the left, and then a part number search up here. So the search by automotive, year, make, model, product, engine, this is directly connected to the Show Me the Parts catalog. So whichever parts you had in the catalog over at Show Me the Parts, this would pull from, okay?
Okay.
So this is an API call that's going out to Show Me the Parts. This cross-reference is an API call going to Show Me the Parts as well. So it directly accesses your catalog with them. This search up here is a global search on the website. So if you were to have non-Show Me the Parts or non-Fitment parts on the website, customers can still search them via this search right here.
Understood.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes, yes, it does make sense.
Okay, perfect. So we'll go ahead and we'll just do a year, make, model search here.
Okay, so this demo site,
and as I mentioned,
this demo site is currently connected to Show Me the Parts, right?
Yep. Yeah, all of these options that are showing up in the drop downs are coming from Show Me the Parts. So Show Me the Parts is saying, okay, for 2010, we have these types of cars. Once I choose Ford, it says, all right, we have these types of models. For the 2010 Ford F-150, we have these different product groups.
Okay.
And then select engine. And then when I hit click parts, it's going to Show Me the Parts and looking at the catalog that this site's connected to. And it's saying, what products do I have for a 2010 Ford F-150 in the ABS component category?
So just
and then it returns all of that information.
Okay, these results are from the Show Me the Parts API, or this is depending on what you have created on your Magento catalog site.
So it's a combination of both. So it's the parts that Show Me the Parts has in their in your personal catalog with Show Me the Parts, and then it verifies that you have them in stock in the on the website.
Okay. Okay, but it will only display it would only display the ones that are in stock, or it will display also parts that are not in stock.
On the website, it's only going to display items that you have in the Magento site to be displayed that are in stock.
Okay, understood.
Okay. Then obviously you have this list of them, and then you would go ahead and choose whichever one you were interested in or you wanted, and you would click on it, and then it was going to take you to the product page for that item. Okay. Now, a couple things to note on the product page. The name comes over from Show Me the Parts. However, you can change the name as long as you keep the manufacturer name and the SKU as the first two items that are shown in the name. The rest of it you can edit.
Understood.
Obviously, you have full control what's in stock, out of stock. You have control over the price that you charge. So those are user inputted. The SKU comes from Show Me the Parts. The description comes from Show Me the Parts. However, you are able to edit it in Magento.
Okay, Show Me the Parts have a multi-language option or only English at this moment?
At this moment, they only have, I think they have English and Spanish.
Okay, that would be very helpful.
Okay, so that would be a good question for Paul over at Show Me the Parts.
Yes, I will ask him later. Okay.
Okay. Details, once again, the description would come from Show Me the Parts and is editable in Magento.
Okay.
The attributes come from Show Me the Parts, but are not editable in Magento. It's only what Magento, or it's only what Show Me the Parts sends over. And that is the same with the buyer's guide. So this is coming from Show Me the Parts, but you are not able to edit it.
Understood. Understood.
And then if there's any documentation that Show Me the Parts has, it'll be sent over. Once again, this is only getting information from Show Me the Parts, so it's not something you can edit in Magento.
Okay, and the documents will be downloaded from Show Me the Parts or hosting in our site?
I believe they're pulled from Show Me the Parts. Yeah, they're pulled from Show Me the Parts.
Okay. Understood.
And then if Show Me the Parts has an image for the product, it'll show here, but you are able to edit and change images in Magento.
Okay, understood, understood.
Okay. Then I'll go ahead and I'll add this to the cart. So you can see what that looks like. And you said you're familiar with Magento, so you know a lot of the Magento features, correct?
Yes, yes. I am very known in Magento. We have been using it for like 4 years at least.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you know how to add like optional additional charges, minimum quantities, customer group pricing, and kind of all that jazz.
Yes, yes. I have not used all the functions so far, but I know most of them, and I have been using the ones we need, you know.
Okay, perfect. Then I won't dive into that kind of details. I'll just kind of stick with the Show Me the Part side.
Yes, please. Yes, correct.
Okay. So after you add your item to your cart, you can then go back and you can do, search for your next year, make, model. You can check out, and that all follows the standard Magento process.
Okay.
So I won't dive too much into that.
And is it possible to also search searching by categories, right? Or no?
By what?
By categories. I mean, can you search for the parts without using the year model and?
Oh.
Yes.
Up here, yes. So the Show Me the Parts items are not categorized from Show Me the Parts. So out of the box, they would not be in categories. However, if you and your team wanted to place them into categories, then yes, they can be shown in categories. For example, I have tools here, and I actually threw a couple in there. These are actual Show Me the Parts items, but I do have them in a category. But that is a manual process. Show Me the Parts does not send over the items in categories.
Okay, understood. Understood.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and I'll show you when we get to the back end. I'll show you kind of what the category structure looks like when they send over the parts.
Okay. One of the things I am most interested in getting to know, even though I asked it before in the emails, is when we are creating a product, how do we tie it with the Show Me the Parts catalog?
If the part is not in Show Me the Parts, you cannot tie them together.
No.
So let's say that you're selling a muffler that Show Me the Parts does not have in their system. Okay.
Okay.
So you can put the muffler on the website and you could put it in a category up top here. Like I have 2 categories here. You could put it in one of those. However, if Show Me the Parts does not have the product information in their system, it will never show up in the year, make, model, or the cross-reference, because those 2 are directly connected to Show Me the Parts and only show products that are in the Show Me the Parts system.
Okay, understood. No, but I actually meant when creating a product that is already in the Show Me the Parts information.
Oh, so when you create your catalog with Show Me the Parts, they will actually produce a spreadsheet that we will upload into Magento, and it'll populate all of the products that you have in your Show Me the Parts catalog. That is part of the $3,000 project. We include creating all of those items that are included in your Show Me the Parts catalog.
Okay. So, for example, this is this might be not easy to explain, but let me try.
Okay.
So far, we do not currently work with auto parts. This is something that we are interested in beginning to work, and we want to start with the website. We don't want to open stores, only e-commerce. So we do not have currently any products. We want to have the website and to have already the know-how, the products that are that we should buy. So I understand that Show Me the Parts does not provide, neither you, the wholesalers that we can buy these products from. So we
Correct.
We should find our wholesaler or someone that provides these products for us. How do we make sure that we are buying something that is already compatible with the Show Me the Parts catalog? Because we do not want to have something that is not already in Show Me the Parts. You know what I mean?
You would have to talk to Paul and see if he would provide you with a list of products that they have in Show Me the Parts, or the product lines.
Okay.
I would not have that. Paul would have that.
Understood. I have to ask him then that part. Okay, so let's say that he provides this information. Let's say that I buy some products, okay? So I should ask them or tell them which products I already purchased, so they create this spreadsheet with these products and send this data for you?
Yes. After you set up the account with Show Me the Parts, they have a process that they walk through you with, and basically gives you the opportunity to select which brands and product lines you want to include in your personal catalog.
Okay, understood.
Any other questions on that or the front end?
No.
Kind of how the front end operates? Okay.
So far.
Then I'll go ahead and jump into the admin here. So it'll look familiar. You know Magento, Magento 1, Magento 2, so I won't spend much time on going through Magento features. Okay. Order processing is the exact same as your other Magento 2 sites or working with Magento 2. That doesn't change. Where Show Me the Parts, their products, when they come in, we can take a look at what those look like. On this one, for example, we see an image. Oops, I'll wait till this loads for us. So on this product was migrated over from Show Me the Parts. We can see that the name is here, which you can edit. The SKU, The part number.
We can edit the SKU also or not?
You can edit the SKU, but not the part number, because the part number is what connects Magento, the part in Magento to the part in Show Me the Parts.
Okay, but one question, for example, let's say I have purchased some product, you know, like this same product that we're seeing right now, the MagnaFlow catalytic converter, but from other brand, and they use the same part number. Is it possible to create a new product and use the same part number to be able to get this product into the searcher, the finder?
No.
Okay.
No, and that would be, and doing that would actually breach the contract with Show Me the Parts, and they could take legal action and turn off your feed.
Understood.
So yeah, because this data is owned by the manufacturer. If someone's looking up one of these parts, you have to be selling the MagnaFlow. You have to be selling the brand name that the SKU and part number associate to.
Understood.
And yeah, that's something that a lot of people try to do. I'm sure you've heard of people doing that. So it's something that the manufacturers, Show Me the Parts, and Web to Market take very seriously, because there's some big ramifications for that if we're allowing people to do that.
Yes, understood.
For sure. Okay. Obviously, your price, where you're able to choose the price that you want to sell, quantity, weight. Some weights come from Show Me the Parts as long as they have it, but not all weights come from Show Me the Parts. So that might be an area that you're going to have to enter information into. Okay.
Okay.
The content area, you see the description and short description. These both come from Show Me the Parts. However, you can edit them.
Understood.
So this area you can edit. All right. Images and videos. If Show Me the Parts has an image, they will send it over. However, you are able to create additional images, add videos, or anything like that. You can choose which ones show up on the website. That's not a problem. And then the rest are things that are standard Magento, so I won't dive too far into those. Any questions on products?
No questions.
Okay. I don't want to go so fast. I'm trying to skip over the Magento stuff, but if there's something that comes up, let me know. I just don't want to waste your time.
No, understood. Actually, I know very much how this you are talking about Magento. And if I have any question, I will interrupt and ask. Don't worry.
Perfect. So here is the category structure. And as you can see, all of the Show Me the Parts are just in one category. So they're not, Show Me the Parts does not send it over in different categories. However, if you would like, you can obviously manually add products to categories and build that out if you would like. We have a couple customers who do that, where they have the year, make, model, and then they go in and they build out the categories for the header as well. So it can be done. It's just a manual process.
Understood.
Okay.
Yes.
Customers, marketing, content, reports, configuration, all of that stuff is standard Magento. So I won't dive into those. But those are the big areas that the connection with Show Me the Parts affects, is how you look up products, how you maintain products, and where products sit in the back end of Magento.
Understood. Yes, mainly the main question I have, it's something I have to ask Paul more specifically, is the one that I asked you before about, how to get sure that we are going to obtain parts that this let's say these products are already in the Show Me the Parts catalog. You know what I mean? Because we cannot go and buy anything.
Yeah.
It will not be it will be not in the Finder.
Yeah. Yeah. Paul would be the best person for that. He can supply a list or somewhere where you can go to see a list of all the different product lines and brand names that are in their system.
Yes, yes. And another question.
Any other?
Another question. This,
yeah.
I can see in this demo site, I understand this is a demo site, you have 17,000 and almost 18,000 products that are into the Show Me the Parts category. These are the products that in this demo, these are the products that you asked Show Me the Parts to include in the Finder in your catalog, right? But they have, I suppose, more products, or this is the whole catalog quantity.
Oh no! They have over 1.4 million products.
Okay.
So no, this is just a very small portion of the products they have.
Yes. Yeah. Perfect.
So, and I'll also provide you this in the chat. The admin. How do I get to that? I gotta stop my share. Or here is, I just shared with you the demo site URL, so you can go on there and play around with the searches and stuff like that as well.
Yes, yes, I will do so, and this I will actually, I think today I will be able to talk to some people interested in this in our company, so we can maybe I can show them this video to see if they have any questions also. But let me ask you something.
Yeah.
I am opening the link you sent me. This demo site, as I understand, this is the look and feel on the front page, on the front end. It is kind of simple. If we would like,
yes.
if we would like some theme that is already, you know, this one of these themes that you can already purchase and use without using, you know, having to make something on our customize. We don't like to customize a lot. If we would like to buy a theme, this is something possible or not?
Yes. Yeah. For example, here, I'll share my screen again here. With star. I'm trying. Oh, what is the name? No, hold on. I'm trying to load a few sites that are using.
No problem. But do you already have some workable themes that work with this, you know, with this automotive thing?
We have some themes that we recommend that we've worked with before, yes.
Okay, okay, perfect.
As well as we can customize any additional theme.
Okay, well, if you can then send me links to this other example of themes, so we can have, like, you know, a better view or what we can do in case we go forward. That would be good.
Yeah, here are, share screen. Here are a couple other sites using Show Me the Parts where we customize the look and feel. This one's called Westar Distribution.
Okay.
You know, very different look and feel.
Yes.
A lot more complex, a lot more going on. Year, make, model is in the upper right-hand corner. Parts reference in the left-hand corner. Then we have another one called Parts Hawk, which you can see, you know, they have some different functionality here as far as how you're searching.
Okay.
Featured product area. Okay.
Okay.
And then here's another one. with another different look and feel.
Actually, could you do a little search using the cross-reference so I can see how it shows the results?
On the demo site?
Yes.
Yeah, let me get a cross-reference number. Let's see here. I don't have a number to cross-reference. That's the only problem. And I don't have it.
No problem.
I don't have any cross-reference, but it would show the same as it would show the same as this. The feel would be the same. The look and feel, it would list them like this.
Okay.
And this right here is also something that can be edited. For example, on this site, they wanted a different look and feel of the results pages. So we went in and we edited how the results page looks for them, rather than having it on a list with no images, just all words. Theirs looks completely different.
Yes. Actually,
it has the image and then has the information.
Okay, and this side have a really nice theme. I like this theme better than the one that is in the demo.
Yeah. So that theme that they're using as a foundation, I'll send you the link to, because this is the only theme that we recommend for Magento 2.
Okay.
So I just sent you that.
Well then, I think this presentation will help me a lot to understand more of how it works. It definitely already, I have a really better understanding on how the integration with Show Me the Parts work. The only thing that will be pending from my side to be able to let's say to make a decision with my team would be the question that I have to ask Paul about the catalog. You know, we need to be sure, because we don't work with these products already. You know, we don't have an experience, and
right.
what we are looking for is something that, you know, we want to buy this store with all in, with products, with the know-how and with experience, both from making the site that you provide and with the catalog information that they provide.
Yep. Yeah, just let us know what other questions come up, and we'll go from there.
Yes, thank you very much for your time.
No problem. You have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.